Mastering speaking tasks. Unlock your English test success. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: preparing for speaking tasks in English tests. Whether you're gearing up for the TOEFL, IELTS, or any other English proficiency exam, knowing how to ace the speaking section can make all the difference. So, grab a notebook and let's dive in. Why should you focus on speaking tasks? Well, speaking tasks often make up a significant portion of your overall score. Plus, they demonstrate your ability to communicate effectively in real-world situations. Good speaking skills not only help in tests but also in day-to-day life where English is essential. One of the first steps in preparing for speaking tasks is to familiarize yourself with common formats. Some tests may ask you to listen to a passage and then speak about it. Others might have you engage in a conversation or debate a point. Knowing what to expect will help you prepare more effectively. There's no substitute for practice. Use flashcards, role-playing, or recording tools to practice your speaking. Aim for clarity, good pronunciation, and logical thought progression. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Time flies when you're nervous, and you often have a limited time frame in test speaking tasks. Learn to manage your time wisely. One tip is to quickly jot down points you want to cover before starting to speak. This ensures you hit all the essential points without running out of time. It's completely natural to feel nervous, but it's crucial to control your nerves to perform well. Breathing exercises can help you stay calm. Remember, the examiners are not there to trick you. They want to see you succeed. Speaking without breaks can be overwhelming for both you and the listener. Use strategic pauses to gather your thoughts and emphasize points. Pauses can make your speech easier to follow and more impactful. A well-rounded vocabulary and correct grammar usage can set you apart. Plan to use a variety of vocabulary and tenses where appropriate. However, do not overcomplicate your sentences to the point where you lose clarity or make grammatical errors. So there you have it. These are some proven strategies that will help you excel in the speaking tasks of your English proficiency tests. The key takeaways are to understand the test format, practice regularly, manage your time, and keep your cool. We hope you found this video helpful and wish you all the best in your upcoming tests. Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.